Are you looking to lead a healthier lifestyle? Consider adding meditation to your daily routine. Meditation has numerous benefits for both the body and mind. First, it helps reduce stress levels and promotes relaxation. By taking a few minutes each day to meditate, you can lower your cortisol levels and feel more at ease. Second, meditation improves focus and concentration. It trains your mind to stay present and be fully engaged in the task at hand. This can lead to increased productivity and success in various areas of your life. Next, meditation promotes emotional well-being. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to better manage them. This can improve your relationships and overall happiness. Additionally, meditation has physical benefits. It can lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Regular practice can also boost the immune system and increase energy levels. Furthermore, meditation enhances self-awareness. You become more in tune with your body and learn to listen to its needs. This can help you make healthier choices, such as eating nutritious foods and exercising regularly. Meditation also cultivates mindfulness. It teaches you to be fully present in each moment, appreciating the simple joys of life. Moreover, meditation can improve sleep quality. It helps calm the mind and relax the body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine is simple. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Focus on your breath, observing each inhale and exhale. Allow any thoughts or distractions to pass by without judgment. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration. With regular practice, you'll begin to experience the benefits of meditation in your daily life. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself as you embark on this journey. In conclusion, adding meditation to your healthy lifestyle has numerous benefits. It reduces stress, improves focus, promotes emotional well-being, and enhances physical health. So, why not give it a try? Start meditating today and unlock the transformative power of mindfulness.